Hey everyone, this video is about how you can merge videos in Mac for free. So in this example, I'm going to take two videos which are in your screen visible right now, part 1 and part 2. And I'm going to merge them so that I can merge them as a tutorial. And let's start. So to do that, first you need to have the QuickTime Player, and when you open your video in QuickTime Player, you can just like see this video is opened here, but it is not clear. But when you want to like merge two videos, the simplest way is to drag this second part, try to drop it here, and put it here. So now this is a whole video created, and you can click on done, and the video has been merged. So you can see it is a 8.50 minutes video now. Earlier it was like 5 minutes something. And now you can go here, you can save it. So it is showing. So when you try to close this, it is going to ask you if you want to save this file or not. Other ways to just go to file and export it as a video from here on the top. I'm just going to do it the quick way, which is by just closing and giving a name. It is easy. So export as is updated video and save. Now it is exporting the file, and once it is exported, you'll see the merged file. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe.